Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm really excited to do this super quick and easy install, but I have been waiting for this product for a long time now. And when I saw it, I immediately purchased it because I knew this was one of the missing pieces to the 4Runner. So essentially what this is, actually this is by Minwin3D, that's his Instagram handle. This is a fuse box riser. So for those of you like me who are running aftermarket lights or Raptor lights or anything that is at a fuse that's tapping into your fuse box, and I know that the fuse box won't shut completely. One of the latches won't latch on. So he actually created this riser. I'll take it out here for you. He created this riser. It's a 3D printed riser, and essentially what this is it slots in on top of your fuse box, and it allows your fuse box cover to close completely. So he did a lot of extensive testing on this, and I've been following his journey as he's been developing this, and it's a really neat product, and I'm super excited to finally install this so I can latch on my fuse box and take care of that issue. So let's go ahead and do this install. Like I said, this is a really easy install, but I'm really excited to add this to the 4Runner. Alright, so in the box itself, it's just a one-piece resin 3D print of the riser, and he's done a lot of testing for this, and these slots here are actually for where the wires pass through. It slots right onto your fuse box, and he even has a little installation QR code that he 3D printed. So Min has put a lot of thought into the packaging, the installation videos that he's done, and I really appreciate that. From a consumer standpoint, I really appreciate that. So he's gone above and beyond. He even has like a custom molded styrofoam in here for the riser. So I really appreciate all these little things that Min has done. Once again, his Instagram handle is Minwin3D. You can find him on Instagram. So check it out. Let's go ahead and do this quick install. So you'll see that on my 4Runner, I have a added fuse going in there because I'm running the Alpha Rex headlights, and they require a added fuse to run the DRL. You'll see that my fuse box doesn't close on this latch here. So this latch does not close. This one over here, it does seat, as well as this one in the front here. So these two seat. This one, however, won't seat. So I've just kind of been running it like this. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is how my fuse box looks like right now. I'm currently running one added fuse into here. This is once again from my Alpha Rex headlights. In the past, what I've done is I've just snaked it around, and I just, prop my fuse cover on and leave it at that. So it didn't allow this latch over here to catch. So with the added fuse, Min really has kind of thought it through really thoroughly, actually. He has two slots here. These are for where the fuses are going to go through, and this you can take it off. So he's built in tolerances that if you ever needed to take this off, you simply just grab onto these two and slightly pry it up and out, and it should fall right out. So this is actually a really high quality print. I believe he's heat tested it to certain degrees too, so that it can withstand the heat within the engine bay. So Min really has done his research. Only thing I wish was that it was black, but that's kind of a nitpicking. But yeah, essentially what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and take my added fuse out, leave it over here. And per the installation instructions, we want to tilt it this way so that it catches the two latches, the two OEM latches. And then you can seat it this way. So I'm going to just make sure that it's seated. Alright guys, so I have it seated in there. You'll hear two loud clicks when these two click into place. So my engine bay is a little bit tight because I do have my aux beam switch panel over here, and a whole bunch of stuff. So if you don't have that, this actually might be fairly easy for you. I had to move it around a little bit just because it's so tight around here. But once you have it in, super easy. You'll just go ahead and put in your added fuse through the slots that are built in, and goes back in there. That's it. So now your fuse cover should drop right in. That's it. It's nice and secure, latched on.